So in this video, I will give you the first 5 steps out of 10 in order that you need to take so that you can start your journey to financial independence and personal wealth. That being said, let's get started. Step 1 is to get a job. Yes, really. I know it's common sense, but many don't realize that the saying "it takes money to make money" is actually true. You don't need a lot, but you need some. It does not have to be a dream job, but you need to put food on the table and somehow finance the other steps. Having multiple menial jobs for a period of time is a solution, because the next steps will require you to be able to save at least $50 to $100 each month. This step is mainly focused on young people who tend to delay this moment as long as possible. But as you will see in my next video, time in the market is the most important thing of all. Step 2, track your money. Everyone says they know where their money is going. But do you? Really? In the US, studies have shown that a millennial spends a whopping $2,008 per year on coffee. By gender, a woman is likely to spend on average $2,327, while a man's average yearly bill is $1,934. Don't believe me? Google it. So, keep a spreadsheet on your phone, add all incomes and subtract all payments, and then sum it up each month. Make a balance sheet and identify the leaks. Step 3 is cut spending. Again, I know it sounds like an obvious thing to do, but unless you do the second step, your default response is there is nothing I can cut. But there always is. Every household is leaking money somehow on non-essentials. Coffee, subscriptions, deliveries are just a few ideas. Just check your bank statement and see how many apps, streaming services, shopping services, food delivery, TV, cloud storage, and many other subscriptions you have, and then close them all. I'm not joking. Close them all this month. Then add back next month what you really use and miss. Eating out and drinking a $5 coffee may be nice, but not necessary. And if you follow these steps, you will have the rest of your life to enjoy this and more. Live frugal now and invest in your future. Step 4, getting rid of bad debt. Debt is not inherently a bad thing. It is actually the foundation of economical growth, and if used well, it is one of the most powerful tools for building personal wealth. But in reality, there are 2 types of debt: good debt and bad debt. Good debt can be thought of as a low interest loan taken on a long period of time that you then use to invest, to make money. Bad debt is something like a high interest credit card used for shopping for non-essentials. So, step 4 is to use the money from step 3 and get rid of bad debt as soon as possible. And the last one in this video is to have a good credit score. Having no credit score is as bad, if not worse, than having a subpar one. If you never had any debt, that's not okay either. To be able to have access to good debt, you need a good credit score. Having a good credit score will give you access to the possibility of leveraging your money. Also, depending on your country of residence, it will allow you to get a better interest rate. So, get a low interest credit card ASAP and always make your payments on time. Buy essentials with it, stuff you would buy anyway, and pay it back in full. I hope you enjoyed the information. That is it for now. The next 5 steps will come in the next video. All so that you can have time to really make a plan and put it into action. To sum it up, the first 5 steps are: Step 1, get a job ASAP. Step 2, always track your money. Step 3, cut spending and live frugally. Step 4, get rid of bad debt. And step 5, have a good credit score. Thank you for your time, and please take a moment to like the video if you did, and subscribe to my channel to find out all the recommended steps and much more.